Your whole body simply cannot function without energy. Light is the most natural and familiar source of energy for the body. FlexBeam delivers that very energy. FlexBeam is a unique personal energy device that can be and should be used daily to reach the optimal state and combat fatigue. Turn it on, choose the program, and then go. To improve your energy level, I recommend to alternate two areas. Over the spine, 2 positions of the FlexBeam on preset number 3, and over the stomach, another 2 positions of FlexBeam on preset number 2. Your typical daily routine is 20 minutes, 2 positions over spine one day, and then 2 positions over the stomach another day. To optimize your energy level, we recommend using it daily with the weekend off, until you feel that you're happy with the results. Everyone is different, and your energy level will gradually reach the optimal state after regular use. The effect is accumulative, so let your body enjoy it.